Good morning. A crucial question was put to me whether the recent judgment about confirming the lower court conviction, despite the fact that the eyewitnesses, including the victim evidence, are not available because of their hostility in favor of the prosecution case. The judgment, I have gone through the entirety of the judgment. The judgment seems to be ghost judgment. I state that though there was a heavy concentration to confirm the lower court judgment, but the vital aspect has left out because it is fact that the grave cases are being prosecuted by the state authorities. Therefore, the outstation officer, investigating officer evidence is more important, plays always vital role to believe the prosecution case. I have gone through several cases wherein the courts convicted the accused, believing the prosecution evidences, particularly the expert evidences and the investigating officers. In the Dinagaran news report Madurai case, the judgment has introduced the concept of silent witnesses. That means videograph and other devices evidence. But in the given case, the court can convict if there are 164 statements or 27 recoveries or unassailed investigating officers' evidence. Merely because the accused is having so many cases and there is possibility of threatening the witnesses to turn hostile is not sufficient to, and however the judgment is left for appellate court, apex court revival. However, since it is being pestered to me to give opinion about the judgment, that you kindly ignore the judgment. Sometimes the judgments are being passed heavily on defense side. Like that, when a case was preferred for insisting for production of general diary, general section diary, personal PSR, prison search records, beat books. Normally, it is being filed for production of those documents at the time of examination of investigating officer. Surprisingly, a judgment was given holding that this general diary and general section diary are privileged in view of the provisions under 172 CRPC. That judgments hold good for few months heavily, and following that judgment, several judges followed the same verdict, holding that 172 CRPC is holding privilege over the investigating officer to detain case diary and general section diary. But our beloved Chief Justice Tahila Ramani has under one score struck down the judgment, holding that the judgment is not good. Therefore, they have overruled the judgment. Thereafter, we are following the same verdict. But till then we sustained, when I was arguing without knowing the fact that the judgment was set aside, I made much efforts to argue before one particular judge about explaining the difference between the case diary, general section diary, police standing order. The judge was also only concentrating on the verdict. So sometimes we have to, but we can't say that judgment was without applying mind all those things before the same equal protocol judge. But we simply said the judgment is in per curia. Like that, you wait for a good day to. Therefore, to this, so far this judgment is concerned, unless and until the defense not properly cross-examine the investigating officer, or there are evidences under 164 CRPC and 27 recoveries are there, the court have no justification to convict them, because even because the PWs have turned hostile, including the victim. Best wishes.